In today's lecture, let us see, welcome to lecture series on data structures. In the previous lectures, we have seen what is abstract data type, what is list stability, how to create a list, and how to insert an element at a specific position in the list. So, in today's lecture, let us see how to delete an element from an array at any position. So, deletion is the process of removing an element from an array at any position. So you can delete an element even from the end of the array, which is an easy process. If an element is to be deleted from any particular position, again, like insert operation, you need to move, move this subsequent element from that position towards the left, one position towards the left. So before looking at the routine, let us look at the pictorial representation for better understanding. So here I want, again, example is same as before. I want to delete the element from the position 2. So what is the element of the position 2? So element 20 is a position 2. So I want to delete this element 20. So if I want to delete this element 20, what will happen? I will have to move. So let me explain. If I want to delete this value 20, then I will move 30 to here. After that, what I will do? Again, an empty spot is created here at 30. Then I will move from the value 40 to 30, correct? So once I have moved 30 to 20, then I will move the value 40 to the position of 30. And after that, what I will do? I will move the element 50 to the position of 40. So this is how the shift will happen. Here all the values are moved one position to the left, correct? So this is how a value will get deleted in a list. Now let us discuss the routine about how to delete a value. So here is the routine to delete a value from the list. So initially, I will get the, instead of getting the value, here I'm getting the position of the data to be deleted. So the user will enter the position from which the data has to be deleted. For example, here I'm entering the position as 2. So now I want, what is the element at the push for, you need to know what is the element at position 2, right? So position 2 is nothing but it is index 1. So I'm displaying the element at that particular index. So it is list of position minus 1. This position minus 1 represents the index of that second element. Now, so I'm starting from which position? Directly, I'm starting from that particular index. I'm not starting from the end of the array, unlike insert operation. Here, I'm starting from that index position. So index position is position minus 1. So I'm initializing I to position minus 1. And so till which value I need to traverse? I will traverse till the nth value, last value, right? So last value is at the index n minus 1. So condition is I is less than n minus 1. After which I will not shift. So I plus plus. So here value in the next position is moved to the previous position. So in the previous case, value at ith location is ith index is moved to the I plus 1th index. But instead here, value at I plus 1th index is moved to I plus 1. So list of I is equal to list of I plus 1, which means value as the position list of I plus 1 is shifted to position list of I. So this happens as long as I is less than n minus 1. Once I is equal to n minus 1, we cannot perform shift operation because there will not be any element available at that particular location. So this subsequent shift operation will happen only if I is less than it is not less than or equal to, it is less than n minus 1. So all the values are shifted left. But I value will be incremented in I value will move forward, not backward, right? So we will move the values from the next locations. Since I is moving in the right direction, I'm incrementing I. In insert operation, I will move in left direction. So I am decrementing I. But here I is moving in right direction. So I am incrementing I. So once a value is deleted from the list, now initially there are 5 elements in the list, right? So see here, initially there are 5 elements in the list and I have deleted one value. Now what is the number of elements in the list? 4. So initially n is equal to 5. Now n is decremented by 1. So I have to decrement n value also. N equal to n minus 1. So this will decrease the size of, or this will reduce the number of elements stored in the array. This is how you delete a value from the list. Hope you understood create operation, insert operation, and delete operation. So in the next lecture, we will see how to traverse the list, and we will have a quick overview of what list is about. So thanks for watching.